Hello friends, welcome to HR Garden. Hope you all are doing well. Friends, this beautiful plant that I am showing you today is called Bromeliad Neoregelia. This is a tropical plant. There are more than 300 species of bromeliad. This is one of the bromeliad called Bromeliad Neoregelia. This plant is usually grown as indoor plant. It gives a beautiful and warm look to our garden and home. Roots of this plant are very small. When you make the potting mixture, so make well drainage potting mixture which hold moisture but drains well. Now if you see what I have used out here is I have used coco peat and leaf compost and sand I have used and little bit of compost. So as soon as you water this plant, the extra water drains out. Talking about watering, I spray water on its leaves. At the top of this plant you will see the cup like structure. This is for the water, so we need to put water out here. So this water is taken by the plants. Usually the roots does not absorb the water. This cup like structure is made so that it can hold the water. So time to time you need to flush the water from this structure if there is any water, so that the salt does not get deposit out here and it does not damage the plant. Overwatering will cause the root rot. If you don't water in the soil also, this plant is going to work. Just spray it, and after spraying what on this cup you need to put the water like this. If you see my soil is completely dry, so I have not watered this soil from long time. This plant grows indoor well with a good humidity. If you want to grow outdoor, so keep it in shade. Once you prepare the potting mixture and once you put a little bit of compost, you don't need to fertilize this plant. If you want to use fertilizer, you can use this slow releasing fertilizer once in a season. So that's all. Don't over fertilize this plant. The over fertilization may damage the plant and plant may die. If you see this plant from the close, I am showing you from the close, so you can see the flowers are coming out from here. Flower of this plant will last for 5 to 7 months. After the flower dies, the plant also begin to die over the next few months. But before the plant dies, it will produce the baby plant, lot of baby plant or bulbs. You can also see bulbs. So that bulbs can be used for propagating next plant. So you can keep that bulbs in same pot, or you can separate the bulbs and you can propagate that in different pots. Talking of the pot, so you can see this plant is very big. I have potted this plant also in just 7-inch pot. The root system is not large. Use a small container according to the size of the plant. So this big plant I have potted in 7-inch pot. I have planted in 7-inch pot. So you don't need to use too big container. So see the size of the plant and use the container. Usually this plant is not attacked by any pest or insect. So if you see any pest or insect, you can spray the insecticide. But so far I haven't used any insecticide. Yes, when I was potting in the beginning, I had used 1 spoon of fungicide. These plants are very easy to grow. You will get this plant in different colors also. So you can get this plant from nursery or you can get from online also. Once you transplant, you don't have to do anything. Just time to time you need to spray the water and put the water in its tank or a cup. That's all. This is it for today, friends. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching HR Garden.